Vande Mataram दोस्तों and welcome to my channel SHAH Game Development. If my project will crash, how can I fix it? Watch this video till the end so you can find the way to fix it crash project or recover your file. Subscribe my channel and press also bell icon so you can easily get my all notification. Firstly open our crash project. Now this project is crashed. Sign and restart. Now it doesn't work. Our first task is find which file has crashed. Now as you can see guys, all the errors. My game mode file has crashed. Okay guys, now we can fix it. So this is my game mode file. I'm delete this file. Refresh and again I am open my project. Now it's working for me. If your file is not so important, so you can delete, but file is so important for me, so what can I do? Go on sim and game, my blueprint. Now here I am searching my game mode file, so copy this file, content, blueprint, paste here. Now guys, it's working. Oh, my game mode. Now guys, work fine. As you can see, my character is work fine. My whole project work fine. So on that way you can fix it crash project or recover your file. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like and share my videos, and thanks for watching guys.